Hey guys, so on this episode of Bangin Gears, I'm going to show you another video I filmed for the local police department. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Frank, and Bangin Gears is mostly about car shows and events in my local area here in Northern Virginia. But for the last few weeks, I've been filming a lot of videos for the local police department. And in the previous video, I shared with you the public service announcement I filmed for them. And in this video, I want to share the National Night Out event that I filmed. It's a great combination of law enforcement and community coming together in celebration, and it's just a great video, and I want to share that with you. Love to hear your feedback. And then next week, I promise, getting right back into car stuff. I filmed this weekend at Cars and Cigars, had a huge event up in Ashburn, so that video will be coming out very soon. So sit back, relax, enjoy this law enforcement video, and we'll catch you next week on Bangin Gears.
Hey guys, my name is Kevin Lands. I'm the Chief of Police here for the Town of Haymarket Police Department. I just want to welcome you to our 2019 National Night Out here in the Town of Haymarket. For those of you that don't know, National Night Out is a nationwide celebration of community and a partnership between police and neighbors, where we come together one night a year for kids and parents to meet and interact with the police officers, and for us to be able to make meaningful relationships with the community. So this is ours here at QBE for 2019. We welcome you. We hope you have a great time.
Nobody cares about me. Walk down the street like I'm not in there. It's the way it's always been. One day I'll notice a change. One chance to play the big stage. The fear, it starts to grow. I wanna hear my song on the radio. I see my idols on TV. I'm getting older and nobody's heard of me. Just gotta work my way up. It's everything I could ever want. Say I'll never make it. I'll lie and stare at the roof. I know I've got something to prove. I wonder what it'd be like to live my dream in real life. The thought of it is so surreal, to be an unknown kid with a record deal. One of life's roller coasters, I'm gonna scream, singing my own songs, my only dream. Just gotta work my way up, be whoever I like. If I only knew my future was so bright. Travel around the world and see all the sights. If you wanna feel alive, gotta put up a fight. I wanna throw down the books and pick up pen and paper. I'm always getting funny looks, and people say I'll never make it. I'll lie and stare at the roof. I know I've got something to prove. I wonder what it'd be like to live my dream in real life. Nobody knows, nobody cares about me. Walk down the street like I'm not there. It's the way it's always been.